Hi again everyone. This book I did the cover for because I followed a YouTube video, Marta from MaremiSmallArt, and it's a canvas cover and it's a sketchbook, and I thought I've had this so long, a couple of years, and it's a board cover canvas, and I thought I'm going to make something like this for this cover. The back is just a sample of cushion covers, bit of lace. So I just put a button, a key, this is part of a USB drive, some ribbon with red flowers on it that I've had since I was 0 in my stash. I still have about 5 meters left, I think. And cardboard, corrugated cardboard, a little snowflake, and this stuff here is a fabric that has got all shimmery stuff on, and I'm going to show you that. Look at this. Isn't it amazing? Look at that. I just found this in, smells like anything. Just found that in the cheap shop, in the doll shop. And I've got another one here as well, down here, in gold. Isn't it divine? So I'm quite pleased with the way this turned out. I've got a picture on my Instagram account. And I mean, maybe I would change the colours, but at least I tried. And I have a whole bunch of this wonderful cushion fabric sample. We have a curtain shop in town that sells, let me just zoom out here. It sells wallpaper. Now I have to show this. Look at this wallpaper. How much did she charge me? $2? Goodness me, look at this. Fabulous, fabulous wallpaper. Oh my goodness me. Wonderful for covers, for books, for journals, for cutting out and just maybe just using that guitar as a background. Look at the vinyl, record, piano, because I'm a pianist. Little music clefs, cymbals. Look at this wonderful orchid. Beautiful patterns, which I absolutely adore. Audrey Hepburn. How fantastic is this? So, look at those beautiful branches. Oh, cities. Look at these flowers. I mean, just trying to find a city. The buildings just, look at that. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? Stunning. So yes, I am pretty chuffed with this wallpaper book that we got from the curtain shop in the main drag. And so I'm keen to use that as a cover too, but that's the book I wanted to show you and got off track, nicely off track. So I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.